I just finished Yamunotri climb and had good Yamuna Devi and Ganga Devi darshan. It is about 6 kilometers from here. You will have to take this route. What you are seeing here. It is 6 kilometers. Quite a steep climb. It took us almost 6 hours to 5 hours to climb up, 3 hours to get down. So there is a Yamuna Devi statue, and by the side there is a Ganga Devi statue. After the darshan, you can also go to the kund, where you can get the small rice pouch boiled in that, and also there is another kund where you can do prokshana on with the hot water. So this is a this particular place is called Bada Parking. There are some rooms here, and then if you during the 6 months when there is a snow at the peak at the hill, then the puja is performed in this temple. What you see here, I'll zoom it out. So this is the temple, and so 6 months when it is not possible to go up, then puja is done here. And this is the as I said, this is the Bada Parking. All the vehicles get parked here. And if you see here, the other hill where they are making ropeway, I heard about by 2027 the ropeway will be operational. And beyond this hill, there is also helipad, which is currently operational, but these days it has been closed because of the bad weather. Whole day we also had mist and slight drizzle. So, but anyway, we enjoyed our trek. Just a few points on how to go. One way is do the trekking, which takes 5 hours, to climb up 6 kilometers, and another 3 hours to get down. So there are lots of shops, tea shops and Maggie and many other things. So you don't have to carry much. Only essential thing is you carry umbrella, you carry raincoat. That's essential, particularly when it rains. And in the hills, you never know when it rains. And there are other options also. Helicopter is one, but it depends on the weather on that day, on that hour. So other than that, I think there are horse, and they charge anything about 7,000 rupees for up and down, and there is I think 4,000 rupees for up and down, and there is what is called dolly. 4 people carry one person, and that is about 7,000 rupees these days. It keeps varying how you negotiate, how you bargain. And then there is pittu. One person carries in a basket behind on his back. So that's another option. So these options are available. You can plan depending on your situation, your fitness, and take the appropriate mode of transport. So, but we all enjoyed, all 5 of us who traveled together from Bangalore. Myself, Annapurna, Madhu, Vidya, his wife Vidya, and Jayashree. We all trekked up and down. We thoroughly enjoyed. Few other in the package tour. We have taken this package tour of Bharat Parampara Yatra. They have nicely organized it, and very nice people. And they are waiting for us till the evening to pick us up in their tempo traveler and take us back to the room. Rooms are also quite nice. We are staying about 5 kilometers away. Bus, and these are our one of the co-passenger and driver. So all in all, it was a good trip for me. Bye for now. I'll come back again with Gangotri, and then Kedarnath, and then Badrinath. Over now. Bye.